Hello guys, welcome to this channel, and in this video our topic is TensorFlow. TensorFlow is an open source end-to-end framework for creating machine learning applications. TensorFlow is a rich system for managing symbolic mathematics library that uses to perform a variety of tasks that focused on training and inference of deep neural network. It is most commonly supported with the Python, but it allows other languages like C++, Java and JavaScript. For beginners, the best way to start learning with user-friendly sequential API. For experts, the subclassing API provides a defined by-run interface for advanced research. Currently, most famous deep learning library in the world is TensorFlow by Google. TensorFlow first made publicly in 2015 for use, first stable version released in 2017. TensorFlow is open source and everyone can use it and redistribute its modified version, and the TensorFlow APIs build graph and structure and show by using input how data processed through graphs and structures, and all inputs in multiple dimensional array that called TensorFlow allow you to create flowchart of operations that travels in multiple directions according to your input. TensorFlow works in three parts: first processing the data, then build the model, and then train and estimate the model. Its name TensorFlow support its working structure. Tensor means multi-dimensional array that are using as input in flowchart. TensorFlow run on a number of platforms like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and in the cloud as web services, and on mobile platform like iOS and Android. And TensorFlow both CPU and GPU are using to run the model. And for business applications of TensorFlow is using in image recognition, natural language processing, product recommendation, in medical field by image processing, and it makes different graph of cause of any disease to get better understanding and solution for treatment. It's used in object detection, in MRI images, in social media for sorting of posts, and in banking sector for fraud detections. And the TensorFlow is the great library of all the library is accessible for everyone. It deals with different APIs to build at large scale deep learning architecture. TensorFlow based on graph computation that provides user to visualize the neural network by using TensorBoard. So if you find something good in this video, please hit the like button and also press the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon for get all the notification. Thank you.